Hi there folks, Andrew at Chatfuel. Today I just wanted to give you a quick update on Chatfuel School. So historically this has been our live weekly 1-hour show every Wednesday on YouTube at 11 a.m. Pacific. That is no more. Fear not, we will still be producing episodes of Chatfuel School, but we're shifting the time and format of them. So instead of them being live on Wednesdays at 11 a.m. Pacific, they are now going to be pre-recorded on Fridays at 8 a.m. Pacific. And basically this new format will benefit you because this gives us the ability to, one, coordinate with more guests, more industry experts on a given topic, and two, because now we can use the magic of video editing, we can cut down the most valuable and actionable tips and insights they're sharing and deliver those to you so you get value faster out of these shows, and plus we can make them more entertaining. So be sure to join us next Friday, June 12th at 8 a.m. Pacific. That's when we'll be premiering the first episode of the new Chatfuel School format. And so if you'd like to join, feel free to click the link below in the description. There you can sign up to get an alert via Messenger as soon as we premiere that episode. And even though it won't be live, we'll still have a live chat. So we'll premiere the episode, we can watch it together, you can ask questions of the Chatfuel team who will be there in the chat, including myself, and share any insights or other questions that you have along the way. Now, finally, you might be asking, well, Andrew, what's the topic of this upcoming episode and who are the guests? So glad you asked. The topic is how e-commerce brands and businesses in general can be sensitive to everything that's happening right now in the world and make sure their marketing campaigns reflect that, right? We don't want to be tone deaf or insensitive to what's happening, so super, super important topic. And we have 4 guests lined up. First is Eric Huberman. He's the CEO of Hawk Media, which is an ad agency based in Los Angeles. Some of his clients include K-Swiss, Verizon, Alibaba, and more. Also, we have joining us Dennis Yu. He's the CEO of Blitzmetrics, another ad agency in Phoenix, Arizona. He has done over $1 billion in Facebook ad spend on behalf of his clients. And also joining us, finally, we have 2 business owners, Zakia Ringgold of Natural Soap by Zakia, which she's amazing. I've talked to her before, incredible woman. And finally, Stephanie Cottle of the Black Girl Group. So be sure to join us for that episode again next Friday, June 12th at 8 a.m. Pacific. Be there or be square, and make sure to sign up using that link below in the description. See you then, super excited, and happy botting.